Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to crochet the bullion stitch. So those are the bumpy stitches here. All right, let's get started. So this stitch takes some getting used to because you're wrapping so many stitches on your hook, and then you have to pull through all of those loops. Okay, to work the bullion stitch, you need to yarn over so many times. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to do that 7 times. I do have quite thick yarn. I'm going to yarn over 7 times, and you want to do this loosely. Okay, so I have 7 loops. I'm going to insert my hook into the next stitch, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Again, make sure that's loose. So yarn over, and so when you yarn over, make sure that it gets caught up right under the hook, so you want that tight. And then I like to face it down and pull through, and then just kind of wiggle it through all the way to the top. And I'm trying to keep this part as taut as I can, so as tight as I can, so that it remains on the very tip of the hook. Then you chain 1 to secure all of this. Okay, I'm going to show that to you one more time. I'm just going to work a double crochet. Instead of yarning over, you can just take the yarn and wrap it around your hook. And you really want this loose, okay? So that's 7. I like to keep my finger there so they don't roll off. Into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, make sure that's loose as well. Now we're going to yarn over, make sure that's tight right on the hook. I'm going to turn it downwards and pull it through and kind of wiggle my way up. Chain 1 to secure. Okay, I'll show you that one more time. Okay, I'm going to yarn over 7 times, or whatever number your pattern calls for. Into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, turn downwards, all the way through, chain 1 to secure. Alright, so that is how you crochet the bullion stitch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button, and I will see you in my next video.